हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नरेशन विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द अपकमिंग JKSSB एग्जाम. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विदाउट डू. पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच फॉर द सेंटेंस. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल डायरेक्ट स्पीच, ही सेड आई एम टायर्ड, राइट. तो यू नो जैसे ही सेड आई एम टायर्ड तो आपको इसको चेंज करना है इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में. तो आई एम टायर्ड जो आ गया ये दिस इज़ द प्रेजेंट, आई एम टायर्ड, दिस इज़ द पास्ट, सिंपल पास्ट. सो आपको सिंपल पास्ट के लिखने रूल्स क्या होंगे. देन यू विल से ही टोल्ड मी, ही सेड दैट he was tired, correct. He said that he was tired. So here the question number B is the correct answer. He said that he was tired, correct. Now moving to the next, choose the correct indirect speech. She said I will call you tomorrow. Then again she said that, यहाँ पे she said काम और इन्वर्टेड कामों को रिमूव करना है. दैट से she said that he would call you. will चेंज होगा, will चेंज हो जाएगा would में. he would call you tomorrow मतलब next day. She said that she would call me, she would call me the next day. C is the correct answer. Moving to the next, direct speech. The teacher said the earth is round. Because earth is round is the universal fact, तो इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. The teacher said that the earth is round, said that the earth is round. So the correct answer is answer number B. Moving to the question number 4, and John said I was working yesterday. John said that John said comma inverted comma, said that he was working yesterday. The answer is John said he was working yesterday. I think the answer यहाँ पे आएगा. Yes, correct. The John said he had been working yesterday, before day. Again moving to the next, question number 5 would be, she said I don't like chocolate. She said that she didn't like chocolates. The answer is B. Moving to the next would be question number 6. He said I can finish the work. He said I can finish the work. He said that he could finish the work. He could finish the work. The answer is B. Moving back to the next would be mother said clean your room. Mother said and then the mother said that the mother, because अब ये command है, then you have to use the mother said, the mother told me to clean my room. Please. Moving to the question number next, the mother told me to clean my room. आगे identify, are you coming with us? They asked. This is the question. Obviously आपको यहाँ पे they asked me whether I was coming with them. The question number C is the exact answer. And the answer is they asked me whether I was coming. They asked me whether I was they asked me whether I was coming with them or not. The answer number is C. Moving to the next question number 9. Please open the door, she said. She requested me to open the door. Question number and now the C option is the answer. Moving to the next is question number 10. He asked where do I live? Where do you live? And the answer is he asked me where I lived. B is the answer. And now moving back to the question number 11. She said I must leave now. She said that she had to leave. She had to leave then. She said that she had to leave. She had to leave then. The answer is C. Moving to the question number 12. He said I may go to the party. He said he might go to the party. He said he might go to the party. Question number A. Moving to the question number 13. She said I am cooking dinner. She said she said she was cooking. She was cooking a dinner, and the answer is B. Now moving to the question number 40. They said we were at the meeting. They said that they question number and the answer is they said they had been we were at the meeting, and they said they had been at meeting. And now the question number 15 is the boy said I will complete my homework. आंसर इज सी. द बॉय सेड ही वुड कंप्लीट हिज होमवर्क. विल मैंने कहा था, वुड में चेंज करना है. दिस इज़ द आंसर. एंड नाउ मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. शी सेड आई हैव फिनिश्ड द प्रोजेक्ट. शी सेड दैट शी हैव को चेंज करना. हैड फिनिश. शी हैड फिनिश्ड द प्रोजेक्ट. इट्स ए. मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. डोंट बी लेट द टीचर सेड, एंड द आंसर इज बी. द टीचर टोल्ड मी नॉट टू बी लेट. And question number 18, choose the. He said I might leave early, and the answer is B. He said he might leave early. And then question number 19. They asked what time does the train leave, and the answer is A. They asked what time the train leaves. And the question number 20 is the doctor said you need more rest, and the answer is A. The doctor told me that I needed more rest. मीनिंग देखिए यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊँ. द डॉक्टर सेड, कामा इन्वर्टेड को आप, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द डायरेक्ट स्पीच मीनिंग what the person who was talking about, the doctor said you need more rest, meaning it is the direct speech, meaning the person who was speaking, and now you are interpreting it in direct speech में आपको अपना ऐड करना है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.